Like each and every other Tesla financial backer, you might have recorded huge misfortunes with your Tesla shares this past couple of months, and this could be most definitely rather deterring following the new drops in the stock's worth. Are you auctioning your portions off to the next accessible purchaser? Or are you a financial backer like George Soros, who continues to stack up on Tesla with the expectation that there will be better gains in the future? Hello, folks. Invite back all that Tesla stock. Tesla stock has been very temperamental for some time, spelling serious vulnerability for financial backers, and the securities exchange is down 50. A few financial backers have relinquished their portions and are looking for better venture opportunities. However, unbelievable financial backer George Soros appears to be generally unaffected in light of a new administrative documenting Soros has taken advantage of Tesla's drop this year and stacked up on portions of the electric vehicle creator, significantly increasing his stake in the past couple of months. Dissimilar to a few financial backers who have sold and are as yet selling their portions because of a paranoid fear of missing out. George Soros has purchased considerably more Tesla shares, expanding his holdings to a critical sum. Why then has George Soros purchased my Tesla shares? Continue to watch to find out, yet before we do, on the off chance that you like this kind of happiness, remember to like and buy in and turn on notices to move modern on everything along with Tesla. George Soros is the pioneer behind Soros Store, a family office with around $28 billion in resources under administration that puts universally in many procedures and resource classes, including public values and fixed pay. Where's unfamiliar trade, elective resources, and confidential value? The Tesla financial backer supposedly has a total assets assessed at $8.5 billion, up $1 billion as of November 22nd, as per the Bloomberg Tycoon's record. Soros is renowned for his magnanimous endeavors, and the greater part of his organization's resources have a place with open society establishments, which support individuals across the world who work for equity, value, and free articulation. The extremely rich person has been purchasing a ton of Tesla shares this year, yet the new drop in Tesla shares appears to have cultivated one more round of purchases of Tesla stock. Soros' Tesla stake was unveiled in the second quarter, which proposes that he had first gained Tesla shares between April 1 and June 30th. At the time, the Tesla financial backer held 29883 offers worth $20.1 million in the biggest normal stock commencement, which was not a consolidation target or a choice position. George Soros Trading Company likewise purchased a lot of Tesla securities in the principal quarter of 2018, giving the vehicle organization a significant supporter at the time. As per the recording delivered by the Protections and Trade Commission Distresses Reserve, the executives purchased $35 million worth of convertible notes, which are securities that can be changed over into a particular number of normal shares. The family official's proprietorship history with Tesla's normal stock has been very shocking throughout the long term, albeit this has expanded lately. Property was as of March 31, 2017 at 2,000 offers, and on June 30, 2014 at 355,250 offers. Soros, as of now, possesses through STEM 89647 Tesla shares as per an administrative documenting the stake is esteemed at $16.4 million at the market cost of $183.20, which was Tesla's stock cost at the hour of this buy, consequently significantly increasing his Tesla position in 90 days. In a manner, Soros' developing stake in Tesla shows that the extremely rich person financial backer is sure that the automaker could execute and meet its objectives, even as its president Elon Musk appears to be very occupied with Twitter. It's likewise an indication of trust in Musk's system, and particularly the way that he has persuaded that the chief of Tesla will again make the vehicle organization his need. There's no news then that Tesla's chief Elon Musk has been really drawn in with Tesla and may try and appear to be diverted with Twitter for the present, yet the stories are soon to change. Tesla stock has taken a beating for the current year, and many are trepidatious that the automaker is losing demand across its business sectors, yet requiring one moment to look. Tesla is as yet doing very well, regardless of the stock's worth. Tesla will probably meet all requirements for the tax break 1 year from now and take pieces of the pie of contenders that don't fit the bill for this credit in a long-lasting Tesla bear. Citigroup examination Italian Michele noticed that the electric vehicle producer is ready to profit from the Biden organization's expansion decrease as per him, while miniature cutthroat worries are probably going to stay a shade with limit ascending in a hard landing situation. Tesla's drawn-out aggressive position will probably additionally improve with this tax reduction. Tesla will actually want to create less expensive vehicles and a future increment in interest for its EVs. The vehicle organization is now hoping to begin robotization at its Vermont office very much as it did in China. As per late news, the vehicle organization is sending designers and creation staff from its now, as of late, redesigned Shanghai production line to its plant in Vermont, California, in a bid to help creation at the U.S. office. Tesla has had the option to essentially increment creation at its Shanghai plant significantly because of mechanization at its creation lines. The overhaul in Shanghai is credited with assisting Tesla with conveying a record 83,135 vehicles in China in September. This cycle required around 5 weeks and involved hardware upkeep and a few different enhancements. Thus, by repeating the equivalent alters from one office, Tesla could fundamentally increment creation. The EV creator has proactively anticipated that it will average a 50 creation increment over the course of the following quite a while. The large number run for EVs is one variable that could build Tesla's interest. UVs are bit by bit disturbing the gas market, and with gas costs going up, additional individuals might go to eco-friendly choices. Tesla additionally makes high edges with its EVs compared with AV organizations, as per a new report. Tesla procured 8 times the amount of benefit per vehicle as Toyota engine in the July to September quarter, in spite of being surpassed by more than 7 to 1. The Toyota gathering sold 2.62 million vehicles in the quarter, 7.6 times as many as Tesla's 344,000 vehicles. Yet, its net benefit per vehicle came to around 1/218 of Tesla's 9570. This net revenue put Tesla in front of Toyota in quarterly net benefit, interestingly since opening up to the world in 2010. Presumably, Tesla's net revenue measurements will be profoundly factored starting with one period, then on to the next, similarly as it would be for any assembly organization, particularly as the automaker attempts to quickly extend its worldwide result of EVs. However, after some time, Tesla might turn out to be more steady and zero in additional measurements like free income and profit per vehicle sold. George Soros' late collaboration with Tesla could additionally build Tesla's revenue, according to financial backers. The Tesla financial backer isn't the one in particular who stays bullish on Tesla, notwithstanding the new difficulties that the vehicle organization has been going through, and with his viewpoint about Tesla appearing to be shared by examination to our intently circling back to the EV primary cap. A few different financial backers like Cathie Wood, Ron Nobleman, Shelley Munger, and numerous others have repeated their bullishness on the vehicle organization and its stock. American asset chief and financial backer Ron Aristocrat has as of late expressed that he feels that Tesla stock could be worth 500 to 600 for each offer in 2025, and in 8 to a decade, the organization should be somewhere near $4.5 trillion. The stock master has stuck to his valuation. The focus on Tesla's vehicle creation each year is significantly centered around Tesla's capacity to essentially scale its business over the course of the following 10 years, and in the end, Tesla begins selling around 20 million vehicles each year. Tesla bull and Morgan Stanley report Adam Jonas was likewise in total agreement, noticing that while Tesla financial backers face gambles with Elon Musk's Twitter exercises, the organization is still poised to develop deals by around 37 1 year from now. This ought to permit Tesla to lay out its place as the business sector's predominant electric vehicle producer. He said we accept Tesla's hold to rivalry might possibly broaden, especially as EV costs turn from inflationary to deflationary regarding the IRA. We accept that Tesla is by a wide margin the best positioned OEM as far as expected qualification for buyer expense and item activity credits, aside from supporting the financial backer's premium in Tesla. Soros' acquisition of Tesla could likewise put the vehicle organization on Sarah's asset list, according to the executive's 13F filings. STEM is a family office that oversees public value and confidential value too, and the Securities Exchange guidelines require directors of assets with in excess of $100 million in U.S. values to record a report, known as the 13th in the span of 45 days of the finish of the quarter, to list their possessions in stocks that exchange on U.S. trades. The Tesla financial backers' U.S. value portfolio, as of late, expanded 4.3% quarter-over-quarter to practically $5.9 billion, and with Tesla on SUM's 13 filings, more financial backers could give their contemplations and better considerations of that on Tesla's basics as opposed to its slow stock valuation. Yet what do you think? Let us in on down underneath, and remember to tell us what your valuation of Tesla is. And to find out about what Tesla's been doing over the most recent couple of days, feel free to tap on this next video on your screen. See you there.